There are two kind of numbers possible, that is signed number and unsigned number. Unsigned number means just it has the magnitude of that number and no sign is associated with it. But if it is a signed number, then always there is a sign associated with that magnitude, and that sign is either positive or negative. Suppose we have a number 12. Now we will represent it in unsigned binary representation and signed magnitude representation. When we are representing any number by using sign, there is multiple ways by which we can represent it. Here we will discuss about the signed magnitude representation. There are other methods also which are called signed complemented representation. That is 1's complement representation and 2's complement representation. We will discuss about those things in our next video. Now let us see about the signed magnitude representation. So if we convert this number 12 and represent its magnitude in binary, then it will be like this. It is a 4-bit representation and this value is equal to 12, the magnitude. No sign is associated with it. It is neither positive nor negative. Now if we want to represent it using signed magnitude representation, then we need one extra bit to represent the sign, because when it is in binary there is no other symbol available. That is, only two symbols are there, either 0 or 1. So the sign also be represented by using either 0 or 1 so that the computer understands. So to represent plus sign we use 0, and to represent minus sign we use 1. So here if we represent plus 12, the final representation becomes like this: 0 1 1 0 0. So here the yellow part is the sign, that is plus means it is 0, and the next part is the magnitude, that is 1 1 0 0. We have written it here. So we see here to represent the sign magnitude one extra bit is necessary. Now let us represent minus 12 here. So minus 12 becomes like this. Here 1 signifies the minus sign and the next part is the magnitude. So here you see one extra bit is necessary when we are representing the number using the signed magnitude representation. Suppose we are given two numbers and we are told that this is signed number. So by observing these numbers, we can say that this is positive number because the most significant bit here is 0 and the most significant bit represents the sign. So this is a positive number, and as this is the this most significant bit is 1, so this is negative number. So now in our next video we will discuss about the signed complemented method, that is 1's complemented representation and 2's complemented representation.